And when I am a cinematographer, I do working for a very good directors in Tamil. And as a cinematographer, I have a practice about images. What are the images, how the text converts into images. When I became a director, it helps me more. Because I experienced and I experimental with the images, how the text convert into images. Actually, I did one the thesis about how the text will convert into images. It's got fellowship award for external government. So I have 2 years intensively. I studied about how the short stories makes the visuals in our mind. It's basically writing and cinematography helped me more to be a director.
But how did you do in the box office?
Yeah, actually I started my film as an independent project. I thought to make this film with the support of my friends and with the collective money. But fortunately I got a producer from the Malayalam film industry. They are very famous in cinematography and in filmmaking, Mr. Samir Tahir and Shaiju Khalid. But we made the film as a low budget film, and we released 128 theaters, and we have a leading character, Mr. Saubin Shahid. Is a very popular actor in Kerala, the only popular actor in this film also. So we got 100 plus theaters, and our film successfully crossed the 100 days in theaters also, and we also released in Middle East, UK, USA, Singapore.
In my case, I'll speak about my personal experience coming from a. I've not been to any film school, so short film was like making the first short film was like my practical training actually. So that really helped me a lot, and the canvas is larger when you're making a feature film. But I think the basic thing is the same. The homework should be very strong, the pre-production should be very strong. In any ways, you have to be honest towards any kind of film you're making, whether it's a short or a feature film.